Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley if you didn't know who I am, if you're new. So as you can tell from the title of this video, it is a room tour and I actually updated my wall. I finally finished it because it's taken me forever to finish it, but I finally did it. It actually took one day at least to like paint, sand the wood, and make this kind of stuff, but I'm really happy I did it because it looks so much better now. I was dying to do this. I was like, I need to get it done, I just need to do stuff. And I finally did it, and I'm really happy. I love the outcome. It looks so much nicer than it did before, so I'm really excited about it. So, and one more thing before we start the video is that I'm going to start doing some back to school vlogs. I'm really excited for the videos I have planned, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And let's get on with the video. So the first thing that you see when you walk into my room is this little coat rack thing. I made this. We just bought some wood, I sanded it down and got some dowels, painted them all white, and like nailed them all together. So if you want to DIY how to do that, it's really fun. I actually had a really good time doing it, and it looks really pretty. And then the next thing in my room is this mirror, and I just wrapped a couple fairy lights around it. It's like, I think I got these fairy lights from Amazon. Link them down below. And then obviously there's me. This mirror is pretty big. That's it. Moving on. So this is my dresser. It's really simple, all white. I just have a little candle right here. It's not the right candle holder. It's just that my mom's like, put it in here. And I was like, okay. So I'm gonna just turn it around, leave the candle in there. And then I have this little sign that I got when I was like 10 years old that I still like a lot. It's just a nice little saying. And then these fake flowers that I got from TJ Maxx. I think I got that one from Target. And this candle and the candle like holder is from Bath and Body Works. So this next thing, obviously, it's my TV. These little flowers underneath it is just from like an old bouquet that somebody gave me, and my Apple TV. Alright, so the next thing I have here is just where I put all my necklaces and my bracelets and anklets and earrings and literally anything you can think of. I'd keep it right there. And I love it a lot. It's really cute. I have my little A charm thing where I just put my earrings that I can't hang like this. And I do have a lot of other jewelry that I need to put down here, but that'll be fine. I haven't done that yet. And then obviously I have my little hamper for my dirty clothes. It's just right next to my dresser, which is really convenient. So this next drawer is, if you live in, okay, hold on, listen to this. So if you live in Texas, you're gonna know that literally all we wear is like t-shirt and shorts every single day, 24/7, like it's just a thing. So obviously you can guess what this is. It is my t-shirt drawer. I have a lot. A lot of this stuff is from like my competition dance team, since it's all sparkly right here. So I don't really wear all of these out, but like stuff like this and homecoming stuff, like I'll wear some of this out, but it's not much. It says t-shirts, like all the t-shirts I wear. And then this next drawer is my PJs drawer. It's just stuff that I wear to bed, and then there's a couple t-shirts left in here that I do wear out a lot. Some leggings, and then some PJ pants and shorts. So this next drawer here is just an everything drawer. This is like a just a random drawer, everything kind of drawer. It just has it has my makeup wipes that I use, a couple of pictures that I don't really use anymore, and a book. And if you know me, I dance, and if you're a dancer, you know the struggle. You always need to have so many tights. So I have like tons of tights in there. So then moving on to this drawer is just a ton of socks, like Halloween socks, Christmas socks, anything. This next drawer that I have is all my bathing suits, and I have a lot, so if you want like a bathing suit collection, I'll make one. Okay, moving on to this drawer, it's just my workout clothes, a lot of stuff that I always wear. This is all my workout stuff. And this drawer is all my denim, jeans, everything I need, and my belts. I have all of my shorts in here. Yeah, that's kind of it. Oh, it's kind of full though. And then this drawer that I have right here is actually pretty empty. It just has one of my friend's dresses in it, some chargers, and some sweatshirts that I like. This is really comfortable. It's from Christmas time. And then I have a beanie and a couple of other sweatshirts in here. That's all that's in my dresser. Alright, so I obviously have nothing on my walls over here except that, but I'm okay with it. I like not having a lot of stuff on my walls. And this is my window. And this, okay, bad idea on my part, because when I close this blind, that's there. So this just has a picture of me and my brother from when we were little. A little fake flower that I got from TJ Maxx, and this is an actual California license plate. A little thing of a jar of rocks. So you have this, and then when you look down, I have a huge teddy bear just kind of sitting there. My boyfriend gave this to me on Valentine's Day last year, and I thought it was super sweet. I kept it in my room for a long time, and then I still have it right here just because I really love it, but I don't really use it that much. So that's that corner, and then this is my bed. And that's my dog. He is so cute. This is my bed. I got my actual bed frame from Nebraska Furniture. It's a huge furniture store, kind of like a Ashley Home Goods or More Furniture. Backtrack, this is also from Nebraska Furniture if you're wondering. It used to have a mirror on it, but I took it off. And then this mirror is from Home Goods. So my bedding actually is from Target, and I love it so much. It's gorgeous, it's basic, it's just a little quilt. I love it. It has a lot of little details in it. My favorite bedding I've ever had, honestly. So moving on, I have this pillow, which is also from Target. All three of these are Target. And then these sheets are Target. Literally everything is Target. So on this side, I have my nightstand. I got my nightstand from IKEA. It's the LX9 drawers in the short size. And right here I have my 1-year little gift that my boyfriend gave me. We've been dating for almost 2 years now. So that's a little 1-year little gift that he gave me. On my nightstand, I have my wireless charger for my phone, which I should be charging right now. But I have my wireless charger, and then I have my hydro flask. And then this was a little gift that I got. It doesn't have much, it just has a little thing of jewelry. And I have a phone. I don't know why it's not, I shouldn't be in here. And then a picture of me and my boyfriend. He'll be in a new video soon. But obviously I have this lamp that I got from Target. So yeah. The top drawer is just really random stuff. I have some headphones and chargers. A little heart that my friend made while she stepped on it literally 2 days ago. Chapstick, medication, and then my remote controls for my TV and lamp and everything else. So my next one, mini junk drawer basically. It's just a little face mask, some drawing paper, and then all of my bracelet making stuff. I just kind of put it in this one just because I don't really use it. A lot of extra jewelry that I don't need, a little bag, whatever, a little, I forgot what they're called, dream catchers. So this back here I have like a little, this is for my dance team. We wear this at awards. It's like a little headband. It's just a little bit extra, but we all love it. I have some thumbtacks and earrings. I don't know why they're in here. It's just all body stuff and face stuff, so not much interesting there. And then this, I just have some notebooks, like empty notebooks, empty folders, and I took AP Bio last year. Okay, I'm back. Oh my god, that was an actual accident. Okay. Anyway, I'm back, and so basically we have this like electrician guy coming over, or like he's already over. So he knocked on my door and asked me to like make sure it worked and stuff, and I literally like had a heart attack. I don't know if you heard me, like I bet you can literally hear my heart drop. It scared the crap out of me, but no, it scared the crap out of me. But anyway, moving on. I have just like my extra folders and notebooks in here, but this one notebook back here, actually I took AP Biology last year and my friend's taking it this year, so I told her I'd give her my notebooks. So that's what I'm doing. And then just kind of wallets in here, yeah. So this next drawer is kind of just a little bit of mini junk drawer markers. But they're all just markers, and it's not anything really interesting. Just a couple medals from academics and my solo, and then a shoestring. So that's what's in there. It's kind of junk, but whatever. And then this last drawer I have in here, it's just my a lot of extra papers actually. I probably need to go through some of this. And then my little mini agenda. I haven't written anything down for this year, obviously, but it's a mini agenda that I got from my friend. I don't know if I'll be using it. I'm probably gonna use it for like YouTube and stuff. And then I have just a ton of stuff. A little thing of like stuff I need to put on my Letterman, and this little thing that my cousin left here. She's like 1. And then I have some sticky stuff. Close the door. And then finally in my last drawer is all my makeup. It's kind of a mess right now, but I have a lot of like just random, yeah. If you guys want me to do a little makeup collection, I will be more than happy to do it. It'll help me clean everything out anyway, so just let me know if you want me to do a little makeup collection. Yeah, so moving on. That's my bathroom. It's not really interesting. It's just me, hair straightener, toothbrush. It's just a basic bathroom. It's nothing really interesting about it. So I keep my towels and yeah, so it's kind of, that's all that's in there. And then I have my shelves. So on the top shelf, I have a really old Olympus camera. And then this I actually put here like a couple days ago. It's just a little thing of dried up rose leaves. I think it looks pretty. Sometimes, I don't know. It's just kind of like, it's different. I've never seen anyone do that, so I thought it'd be a good idea. The next little thing I have is this little guy. I made him out of Play-Doh. I was super bored one night with my friend, and I kind of got some Play-Doh and just made this, and I thought it was really funny, so I kept it up here. And I'm probably going to keep it up there for a while because I'm going to forget about it. And then I have a little block that my boyfriend made me. It's really cute. It's just a pictures of us, and I thought it was really cute. This is my favorite picture of us, so I left it on the side. And that's kind of what's all on the shelf. And then I got this from also TJ Maxx. And then I got this little egg for Easter with a picture of me and my brother in it. And that's kind of it. That's all in there. So these little things I actually bought off of a little yard sale that they were having in my neighborhood. It was actually, they used to be brown, like a dark brown. But I sanded them down and I painted them white like 4 days ago. And I think they look so pretty. I'm really excited about them, so yeah. And then moving on to my Polaroid wall, it's just a lot of my friends and I. They're kind of, some of them are crooked. I need to fix it, but it's just a big Polaroid wall. And I'm gonna make it bigger, and I'm gonna make it go out and up and through the wall, and that way I hope to fill up this wall. That's kind of a big goal. But so moving on to my desk, I got this obviously at Target. I get everything at Target. I got this at Target and this chair at Target. So I keep my computer when I edit here. I usually edit on my desk or in bed, and I just love it. I have a MacBook Pro 13-inch, and yeah. So right here I just have some tape and pencils and pens and markers and scissors and rulers. I mean, the basic school stuff. So I have this little spinny thing for makeup, and I always keep it on this side because once again I have more pencils and stuff, and I just have a lot of palettes. I got this, I don't know where I got this honestly. My brother gave this to me for Christmas, and I thought it was super cute. And then I have a palette back there that's just been sitting there. It's broken. I need to go get something for it. And then on the inside, it's a mess. I'm sorry, guys. There's just some chargers. So this side kind of is just like my electronic stuff right here for my GoPro and like all the stuff for my cameras. And then right here I have a lot of little memories and little cards I have. School stuff, all of this is school stuff. Moving on to this little box thing. The top, obviously I have actually this is a record player. All my records are in another room, and then these flowers. Okay, so this I got this from Home Goods. It's just a simple I actually painted it all white. It used to have white. I mean, it used to be white and then like with the brown on the perimeter. So this top one is just full of body sprays and literally anything body related. And then in this little section I have my Milk and Honey book, which I'm actually going to buy a different book and put it there. It's the Burn After Writing book. I'm really excited. And then my Gucci perfume. Here I have my school yearbooks. I'm not going to show the name of it, but this is where I go to school and all the yearbooks. And then I have my Polaroid camera right here, and then just a little thing of money. And then in this one I have junk. This is literally just a junk bin. I don't know what's in here. I need to clean it out. I think my tripod, some of my Apple Watches in here. Just basic stuff that I don't need, you know? Alright, moving on. I have my little photo albums right here. My friends made these for me and I literally miss them so much. They're from California. This is the girl that you saw in my second or third video. This is us when we were little kids. And then this is me and my friend Sophie. You saw her in the other video as well. And I have just a ton of James Avery stuff in here. This is all the stuff that my boyfriend's actually ever gotten me. I have my charm bracelet and rings and necklaces and stuff, so. And then down here, it's not really decorated the right way, but I have a little boating game, which is really fun to play if you're with your friends. I recommend it, it's really fun. And then back here, I have just a little thing of Polaroids again. And then right here I have the state capitol little thing. And then this is my makeup bag that I just keep it right here because I always get ready in the mornings right there. And my dog again. But that's kind of my room. Anyway, so I did put a lot of work into this room. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And please leave a like and comment underneath if you want to see more from me. I have a lot of fun videos planned. If you have any questions or if I left something out that you want to know about, just comment down below and I will gladly answer them. I love when people will comment down below. So y'all should go like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe if you liked anything else. And I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for subscribing. Anything you do is really helpful to me. So I hope you guys come back for the next video. It won't be long. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye.